Hey, 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 where are all my crafty friends? Who is thinking about summer DIY already? Are you thinking about your beach bags? Are you thinking about your outdoor space for your barbecues? If you got summer vibes, good friends, and all the things on your mind, then I have got the stuff for you. I am Whitney with Girl Friday Crafts, back with another episode of What Did She Buy Now? And I am so excited to show you some transfers from Chalk Couture's newest Tiffani Thiessen release. We have got all of the things that you're going to need for summer, all of the things that I feel like I need for summer. So let's dig into this box, talk about what you can do with some of these things, and plan out our summer DIY projects. So we are going to just do some switcheroo on my camera here so that you can see this package. You don't really need to see me for this. I haven't even opened this yet. So you are getting right at the beginning. Get this open. This release came out last week, I think. This is the second release of the Tiffani Thiessen collection. Everything is super fun. She designs all of the transfers herself, and all of the artwork that you see on the website with her transfers are pieces that she created. So she is very hands-on and involved in all of this, which is really, really fun. All right, so let's see here. We've got a couple of things in here that are not related to the release. Had to restock some of my acrylic surfaces. And get those out of here and put those aside. These are super cool surfaces, by the way. So very fun. Go in the floating frame. So if you're looking for some acrylic, we've got you covered. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. We're here to talk about all of this super fun summer stuff. So we have got this awesome Hey Sunshine. This is an A-size transfer. This would look really cute on a tote bag. A-size transfers actually work really well on t-shirts, especially for the kiddos. That would also look really good on a small frame for your outdoor space. So if you're looking for something to change your outdoor space or a sunroom, or even just brighten up your kitchen, you've got this awesome Hey Sunshine transfer. We've got several transfers related to summer outdoor barbecues and grilling. So we've got this cute little Light My Fire. This would look great on a apron or oven mitts. I was actually trying to figure out if I could put it on something that would actually go on our grill cover, because I think that would be really fun. Lots of really fun drink related, adult beverage related. So this extra dirty with the olives for the martini. These would look really cute if you use clear plastic, like restaurant type squeeze bottles for your condiments. You've got that. We've also got ketchup, mayo, mustard barbecues that would look really cute for a barbecue for layout on your table. Watermelon is so popular right now. This is called One in a Melon. These would look really great on table runners or napkins or placemats. Chalk has a line of linen of all three of those things. So you can check those out. The melamine tray that came out not too long ago, that would look really cute on that. I love, 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 love this. And actually, an acrylic surface would be the perfect thing for something like this because you've got that depth. This is called Solarius. You've got all these little sunshines, and you've got a couple of these little sunshines up here. Again, super cute on a tote bag, on a sunglass holder, anything like that that you just want to say needs a pop of color and a pop of summer. Well done. Kind of staying with our grilling theme. And this transfer is a B-size transfer, but you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different designs on it. So you get a lot of value out of this one. Lots of different things you could do with that. Also, as a whole piece would look really cute on a serving tray. Same with this brain freeze transfer. You can separate it and make multiple things with it, or just put it all on one thing, all on one surface. All that would look really cute on a t-shirt. A kid's t-shirt would look really cute with all of these things on here. Got a little vintage vibe going on in this vintage ruler pattern. Look at all this really cool distressing. Turn it this way. That again, you could use as a background for something. Could use just one little piece, you know, to add a border to a vintage design. Love that. Grilling meat softly with his tongs. So a little play on that old song. This would look really cute for your grill master. You know, to put on a apron. That's the thing. We have a new size transfer. So this is a G transfer. So it is half of a C. You've got this is 18 by I'm gonna have to check myself here. I'm gonna say it wrong. C size transfers are 12 by 18. So this is gonna be, yep, 18 by 6. So it's half of a C. You've got just these nice little squares. These look really cute on the linen napkins. Really, really cute on the linen napkins. That's one of those designs that you'll see. Hot off the grill. So you got just multiple repeating. You got a little repeating design here. Again, really cute for a platter or a tray. Really cute for an apron or a grill cover. You could just do the one little grill on a napkin or a placemat or something like that. A couple of those on that melamine tray would look really awesome. And then this one, which is check and mate. So you've got this with the rainbows and the checkerboard. This is a nice little mix and match. There is a pillow on the website that has this design used together in the pillow. Really, really fun. And realizing I forgot to order something, so I'm going to have to go back and order it. But we've added a new surface, these cute little teal can coolers, and there's a transfer that says giggle water. And so that's what the image is for these. And I bought enough to make a bunch for my girlfriends. So I need to either order it or it was back ordered. I'll have to actually look and see. And then I just bought a couple of paste and ink colors that I didn't have that I'm going to need for some of this summer creativity. So we got candy apple and a little papaya ink because I didn't have any of that. There are more things in the release. I did not purchase everything, although it probably looks like I did. But I do need to get that giggle water transfer. I'm not really sure how I failed to add that in, so I need to order that. Now I am going to be doing quite a bit of crafting over the next couple of weeks with these particular designs, so you will see a lot of that popping up on Facebook or on my YouTube channel. So make sure you check out all of those things. And I would love to know from you in the comments, what is your favorite of these transfers and what are you already scoping out in terms of a project? What is already popping into your mind that you're like, yep, need that, want to do that with it. There's a couple of other really cute transfers actually that I want to get that would make really awesome tote bags for the summer, really cute little beach bags. So check those out as well. I am going to put a link to all of this in the video description so you can go check out all of the transfers and let me know what you think of all this stuff. Let me know what's your favorite. I appreciate you watching, and I will be back next week with another episode. Y'all have a great night. Bye.